You're probably thinking, damn, that looks like shit. Well, I mean, I really don't care. I know, honestly, probably the weld experts are gonna say, oh, you're welding downhill. It's all right. It's literally, all I'm gonna do is drill 2 holes in here and drill 2 holes on that side, put a sleeve in there, weld the sleeve, and then make my braces coming off of it. So, I mean, it doesn't have to, it's gonna hold not a lot of weight. So it doesn't need to be like welded out. Doesn't need to be any of that shit. It'll be all right. So next step, I'm gonna get all my panels back on and start doing some measurements. right, that's gonna do it for this video here. It's getting kind of dark. I'm supposed to be at work, or I was supposed to be at work, but I'm not feeling too good, so I didn't go. So I gotta be careful what I post, at least for a day or two, because I'm supposed to be at work. But I don't want to get no one else sick, so might as well just come here and do racetrack stuff by myself. I'm not sure how much you can actually see, I guess. I know there wasn't a whole lot of talking in this video, because I mean, obviously I'm sick, I don't feel like talking. So if you can see, as you can see before, I had just posts going straight up from both sides, and that literally looked like dog shit. That reminded me of like a destruction derby, and the headers coming out of the top of the car, and it just looked awful. So I mean, I spent fucking almost $1,200 on this fucking tubing bender and all these tubing, or these guys. I said, well shit, might as well fucking use it. Don't know how to use it, but I mean, I used it. I don't know if my measurements are right, or I mean, if my angles are completely the same, but man, it'll work for now. I mean, I'm not sure how much a whole fiberglass front clip weighs. And so this, the hood and the two fenders of the bumper and the grill literally weighs 56 pounds. And I doubt a whole fiberglass clip is gonna weigh less than 50 pounds. So I mean, 6 pounds I could cut somewhere else, out somewhere else. The only thing nice about a fiberglass front clip is it's easy to get the panels off. So the hood, there's only 4 bolts. Everything's in the factory locations. And then right here, each fender has 1 on the side, and then 2, 3. There's 4 bolts per fender, 2 bolts on the bumper, and then 2 C-clips. Not C-clips, fucking Carter keys, whatever fucking, not Carter keys, whatever you want to call those things, little clippies. We'll call them little clippies. So I mean, there's only 10 bolts total to get the whole front clip off, bolts and nuts. It's not terribly bad, it's not good. I mean, I could do it probably in 5 minutes if I really wanted to hustle. One thing I gotta do is make my hood pins. I'm gonna wait for the paint to dry. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and then clean up. Still waiting on my 5-lug kit. Man, I got my rears. I gotta get wheel bearings, because them fuckers don't come with wheel bearings. Just kind of, no, it's those 5-lug kits, 8-lug kits, 15-inch wheel kits from Innovative Machine is not a bolt-on ordeal. I'm not dogging on them, because it's very, very nice quality stuff. It just takes forever, and then it just takes forever. I mean, that's probably gonna conclude this video. Until next time, I keep saying, I don't think I've been itching myself. I don't think I've been doing that like a tweaker. The only thing really left to do is fucking go get my engine, my race engine, do a mock my trans up. I wanted to do a trans fucking cross member from Adam Aquino. Sorry, I butchered your name. He said it was a pretty badass unit there. I'm gonna do that. I mean, it weighs like half the factory. I'm gonna do that. I said do that fucking 400 times. I got my turbo, so I'll go get my other engine. I got a manifold. Chris G from Pennsylvania, he's using it. It's coming off his truck. I got gates, manifold, everything. So I mean, you guys are gonna love the turbo setup. So in the upcoming future videos, we're gonna be doing piping, intercooler, probably doing on 3 6-inch intercooler, and that's about it. Until next time, see you later, guys.